要去帮助他能够力所能及帮助的人，因为我想他们很有这个，因为
Doing our defences, very good at spotting
Where are we now?
you know the space.
Ooh, my hands are freezing. I don't know which one it is. What does it say? Oh, is it over there? I think. St. Mary's Church? How do we go? Oh, great, St. Mary's. I'm wondering if we can go up there. The church, the Great St. Mary's University Church, Cambridge. Welcome. The church is open daily. Services on Sundays and during the week. Please enter through west and south doors. So where do you go to go on the view?
Yavuz bekle. Kimse yok arkamızda. Kimseyi göremiyorum.
Gelirim.
Oh, it's closed. So this is the town of Cambridge. A lot of place soon. What are these?
All of the different
Photos and stuff. What do they represent? Like posters. So the market is closed for today. Is it around here, babe?
What's that? The
Like
yeah.
the entrance, or maybe not.
Oh, who's that?
Hmm? Oh, they're here. I thought they went already. Okay. Are you? Shall we go now? Have a look.
I feel like we should come here for a weekend and just...
Is it?
I don't know, what do you think?
Nice.
And just see it.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, there's a McDonald's right here. Little street, C Street. McDonald's.
No, I need the toilet as well, so I could just run in McDonald's now.
Huh?
I might run in McDonald's because I need the toilet.
Oh, yeah.
What do you
yeah.
think?
No.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'll just wait here. Give me the phone.
Yeah? Yeah.
I'll see what I can Google next. What's the name of this river? it's just a
Or am I just
calm.
thinking
It's, oh, I don't know.
or something else?
It's really calm.
Cambridge or something.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like.
it's really calming.
Yeah, River Cam.
River Cam?
Yeah, River Cam.
Oh.
Well, we've got an hour to get back.
Mm-hmm.
Good time.
Hmm?
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
This is your one, Daniel.
Castle Court, Clare College, University of Cambridge. Oh, is this like a hotel? The Castle Inn? There's a car park over there.
But I think we're.
Let's do it. Oh, look at the sunset. Beautiful.
University Library. So you see the pointed tower. In that building, there is a copy of every single book ever published in the UK, and every time a book is published. They kept to keep extending. That one there.